In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike for project management. First, go ahead and log in to your Wrike account. Once you're inside the workspace, you'll be ready to set up the project in the right location. This is important because keeping your work organized by space makes it much easier to manage projects later, especially if you're handling multiple teams or departments. Next, choose the space where you want your project to live. If the right space already exists, simply select it. If not, create a new one so your project has a dedicated home. Think of a space as the main area where related work is grouped together. After that, look over to the left-hand panel. There, you'll find the Projects and Folders section. Click the plus icon on the right side of that section and a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll begin creating your new project. In the pop-up, enter a name for your project and make sure the item type is set to project. Then fill in the key project details, add the project assignee, set the start date and due date, choose whether the project is billable or non-billable, and enter the budget if needed. You'll also be able to choose your default view, which can help you start in the layout that best fits how you like to work. Once everything looks good, click Create. Now give Wrike a moment to generate the project. When it opens, you'll see some default fields already in place, such as task name, assignee, status, start date, and due date. These columns give you a solid starting structure for managing work. If you need more fields, click the plus icon beside the last column, then enable any additional columns you want to include. This is a useful way to customize the project table without overcomplicating it. To add a task, click plus item, type the name of one of the tasks for your project, and press enter. Once the task appears, assign it by clicking the cell under assignee and selecting a team member. Then set the task status by clicking the status cell and choosing the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. After that, click the start date and due date cells to open the calendar and choose the correct timeline for the task. If you'd like to see the project in a different format, click plus view at the top. Wrike offers several view options, including board, Gantt, files, and chart. You can browse through them and use the one that best matches how you want to track progress and manage your team's work. And that's it. That's how to use Wrike for project management.